Feeling mo ba na stuck ka sa pare-parehong truck choices? Yeah, we get it, but guess what? The truck world is buzzing with innovation. Say goodbye to boring and hello to the future of trucks. Manufacturers are constantly raising the bar with fresh designs and awesome features. From sleek exteriors to high-tech interiors, there's always something new to check out. But wait, there's more. If you're all about making your ride truly yours, customization is the name of the game. Tailor your truck to fit your exact needs and style. Gusto mo ng lift kit? Easy lang. Kailangan mo ng extra storage? Meron din yan. Ang mga options ay endless. Tumawag lang sa 0915-318-8868 and get ready to take your truck game to the next level.